Today, I'm going to show you the OBD port and VIN number locations on a Fiat Ducato 2006. First, let's start with the OBD port. It's located under the steering wheel on the left side. To access it, simply remove this small cover. It's held in place with 2 screws. Once the cover is off, you can clearly see the OBD diagnostic port. Now let's move to the VIN number. There are 2 locations where you can find it. The first VIN is visible through the front windshield, at the lower area near the dashboard. The second VIN is located on the front frame rail. It's a metal plate that is riveted to the body, and the VIN is printed on it. And that's it, quick and simple. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out my other videos for more quick car tips.